Hey guys, it's Mike from GWA Auto Parts, and today we're here with the AA Ignition Replacement Spindle Assembly. This spindle assembly is compatible with various deck lawnmowers ranging in size from 42-inch up to 54-inch from various manufacturers such as AYP, Craftsman, Husqvarna, and Dixon. Please review the full list below to make sure this fits your mower, or reach out to us. What the spindle assembly does is it makes sure that your cutting blades that are attached on this end are cutting your grass at its absolute best. And if you are hearing grinding noises from your blades or the blades are spinning unevenly, you may have a problem with your existing spindle assembly. While this spindle assembly is not a genuine OEM part, it does have the same OEM quality, fit, and finish throughout, as it was designed to be a direct replacement, thanks to the factory mounting locations. However, this one has a redesigned internal mechanism for increased life expectancy. Included with this spindle are 4 new mounting bolts, the pulley lock nut with washer, and of course, the Zerk grease fitting. Using basic tools, this is a simple part you can replace on your own. However, after you do install and run for the first time, it is highly recommended to make sure that all the locking bolts, along with the mounting bolts, are nice and secure so none of them loosened up on you. If you have any questions about this replacement spindle kit, please reach out to us anytime. We're glad to help.